This is John with WTI, and I'm about to say one of the biggest truths that maybe guys would never tell. We don't like to get sick. We don't like to go to the doctor. And for me to stay away from the doctors and staying away from flus, this has been one of my major helps. This is the vitamin C supplement. And this guy here just kept me away from all these months from going to the doctor, having any flu that's going to affect my workflow. So I take this guy once every single day. The taste, of course, I'm not going to taste it. It's just going to be a swallow pill. It's going to be really tiny. It's a tiny pill. It's easy to swallow, no problem at all. But at the same time, it just works like wonders. Since I started taking this, I feel way much higher energy. I've had any problem or any situation of having flus. I will have flus often in my environment. The temperature rises, goes down really high in the day, goes down in the morning. And for me to keep my immune system as bulletproof as it is right now, this guy here has been a great aid. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.